guys, welcome back. I decided to, make things a little bit more, different. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it and sub if you haven't. Thank you guys so much for all of you guys that are subbed to my channel already. I'm very grateful. It wouldn't have been, basically this channel would have not been working out if it wasn't for you guys, because obviously like, am I gonna show this to like ghosts or something? So I got the doll here. Guys, the doll is super big. Look at this. It's humongous. Like, what? It's huge. This is the doll. It's pretty big. I'm excited. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, guys. So far we have the little toesies, the little feet. We got the little feet. So you could see. You can see the details. Okay, we got the feet. Got some goodies. So with the goodies, we got a bubble. So cute. Look at this. So adorable. What do you guys do with the bottles that you guys get from dolls? Like, do you guys like keep them and use them, or like, or like hoard them somewhere, or like collect them and stuff? Ooh, collecting, that would have been cute. Me personally, I like throw them away. I don't know. I should have collected them, have a whole wall full of them. That would have been cute. Pacifier. And a certificate. Do you guys save these too? Oh, comment down below if you guys save them. And the diaper. And the big reveal, guys. I'm so excited. She's supposed to be a ginger, so yes, I don't think I own a dolly that's ginger. So yeah, sorry guys, I'm like trying to like get her out. She's big. Right here, guys. She's pretty big, as you could see, guys. Literally one of my biggest dolls, I think. I don't have a doll right now at the moment that's taller than this one, I think. But she's pretty big, guys. Look at her. So yeah, you guys ready? Okay, guys. Look at her, guys. Such a cutie. Let's see. Hi there, sweetheart. Aww, she's a cutie. Such a cutie pie. Say hi. Hi, little sunflowers. What I see so far is that she needs to be a little bit unstuffed. She's too much stuffed, like in the back, and stuff like that. It's making her look a little too like buff, like fluffy and stuff. But so far she's a cutie. You're a cutie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. She's literally a toddler size. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like if you did, and sub if you haven't. And yeah, say bye.